The Model Motivator and RYP Unlimited are coming together to host a free beauty empowerment workshop on August 9th. It's meant to be an uplifting and interactive event designed to inspire and connect women across the Lowcountry. Every woman is invited to participate in this day of empowerment and personal growth. And today we're joined by Sherry Glover from the Model Motivator and Ernest Glover with RYP Unlimited. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Great to have you guys here today. Looking very beautiful, if I may say, as well. Okay, Sherry, I want to go to you first. What does beauty empowerment mean to you?
Well, first of all, our theme this year is faith, vision, and beauty. And it's pretty much about inner beauty, self-confidence, and just building your confidence to just go after your goals. That's what I want to empower women to do.
Yeah, and your own journey really inspired this as well,
Yes,
right? Can you share a little bit about your journey and why you wanted to help other women?
Yes, ma'am. So I started out in New York in 2016 doing my first fashion show in New York Fashion Week. And from there, at the age of 35, and from there I ended up helping to create other New York Fashion Week shows for smaller companies. And when I came to South Carolina, I got with Millie Lewis Models and Talent Agency. And they really gave me the knowledge of what fashion and beauty looks like, because there were other opportunities that I can pursue, not just runway. So I said, I'm going to create something where I can give women a foundation of just not being on the runway, but they have other opportunities. So this is just a foundational overview for someone who wants to learn more about beauty and fashion. And that's why I created the Beauty Empowerment Workshop.
It sounds amazing. And of course, this is one of those industries, it's really all about connection, right?
Yes,
so those connections can really help you if you're working to make your way in this business. All right, what can we expect on August 9th? We know it's at the Wyndham Garden in Somerville. Who's going to be there? I know you have some incredible speakers.
Yes, ma'am. So I have someone coming from the fashion industry that she's going to be talking about how to dress for daily occasions. I also have someone doing a little bit of makeup, and I have some business women coming to talk about connecting for customer service and networking opportunities as well.
Incredible. So do you have to be an expert in the beauty world to come, or would you really encourage anybody to come if they just have an interest?
If anybody has an interest, please come on down.
Yeah,
please
let's talk about how you guys are working together in this to make this happen as well. Let's go to you next. Why are you guys working together, and how is this all going to go?
This is perfect. Outside of this being my baby sister.
I love it. It's all about family.
The reason why, the component that I contribute to this is that RYP Unlimited is about community, about bringing people together and being educated in different things, in different industries, different facets of life, and also bringing the element of diversity together, because we wanted to make sure that dealing in the fashion world, a lot of people understands that they know the runway, they know going to the fashion shows and things of that nature, but what Sherry is bringing to the table as far as education, I think that is awesome, because people really does not understand all the steps that it takes before you start walking, you know, and being here and having this opportunity to be able to share this with young ladies and middle-aged ladies and so on and so forth, just to be prepared for that if they wanted to go into television or acting and you know, and things of that nature. This is going to really give the foundation, and then that foundation segues over to Millie Lewis, you know. So this is just a perfect situation. It helps with both of our missions of what we're trying to accomplish, to bring community together.
Working together to make a difference.
Absolutely.
Another way you guys are making a difference as well is there's a charitable aspect to this. Can you talk about that and how you guys are supporting MUSC?
Yes, ma'am. So we are supporting MUSC by giving a portion, not even a portion, but the donations that people will be giving it to MUSC for their cardiology department. I actually have a story where I had open heart surgery at the age of 27. I came at 24 weeks when I was born in New York, and when I was born in Jamaica Hospital, they had to ship me to another hospital in Manhattan, so I can get care. And when I grew up, my heart did not fully develop due to me being born early. And I ended up getting a heart murmur, excuse me, and the heart murmur worsened, and my blood started flowing in the wrong direction. So that's why I ended up getting heart surgery. So we're going to be giving the proceeds to these individuals at MUSC so that they can get the care that they need for their loved ones.
How incredible. incredible is that you're using your story to help others. All right,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
put up these event details. So we want to make sure that everybody can come out to all of this. We have those details right there on the screen. Is there anything else you guys want to tell people before they come out to this event?
Just come ready. Just come ready to have a great time. We're coming to educate you. We're going to be giving a light lunch. We're also going to be having fun, giving giveaways, and having a fun activity as well.
How incredible is that, right? We're also going to put your website and your Facebook on the screen as well. If people have questions, they want to learn a little bit more about what you guys are doing, they can learn. So there, guys, the Beauty Empowerment Workshop coming up August 9th right in Somerville. Thank you both so much for being here and sharing your story.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Of course.